Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this DIY face serum for healthy looking skin. This oil-based serum contains ingredients that will help to moisturize and soothe dry, irritated skin, as well as encouraging new skin cell growth. The first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to weigh out some flaxseed oil into my beaker. Now, flaxseed oil has so many wonderful benefits for the body, but for the skin as well. So it contains minerals and nutrients such as alpha linoleic acid, or ALA, and omega-3 fatty acids. These are very important because they will help to reduce inflammation, brighten and lighten the skin, and will hydrate as well. Another really great thing about using flaxseed oil on the skin is that it is very lightweight and it does absorb quickly into the skin, and you're not left with this heavy kind of weighed down feeling, and it's not greasy either. Next, I'm going to go ahead and weigh out some Tamanu oil. This oil is suitable for most skin types, and that includes even oily or acne-prone skin. Tamanu oil is very high in fatty acids. Now, fatty acids are so important for the skin because they really are key when it comes to building stronger, smoother, and healthier looking skin cells. This particular oil has a very dark, rich green color to it. And I know on this video it appears black, but it is not. It's a dark green. And the scent I would describe as slightly nutty, yet slightly earthy too. And as far as absorbing into the skin, it is a little slower to absorb than, say, the flaxseed oil. And if you're one of those individuals who has a nut allergy, continue watching this video because later on I will share some substitutions that I would recommend. I'm now going to go ahead and add some rosehip oil. This is great for firming up the skin as well as moisturizing and protecting it. After adding that rosehip oil, I'm now going to go ahead and add some comfrey infused oil. And this particular oil has been infused in olive oil. But what comfrey will do is it will help to kill any bacteria that might be present on the skin. It's very soothing and moisturizing because it contains the substance allantoin. Allantoin is a wonderful ingredient because it helps to increase collagen production. I now am going to go ahead and add some vitamin E oil. This is very moisturizing. It will help to really soothe the skin as well as reducing any discoloration found on the skin, but it also will help to prolong the shelf life of the other ingredients that I'm using in this formula. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and add my essential oils, frankincense, because it reduces redness and rejuvenates the skin, halcinium for age spots and discoloration, and then geranium because it will control the oil production on the skin, as well as it's really good for wrinkles. The three combined leave a lovely scent. Now that I have all my ingredients added that I need for this face serum, I'm going to go ahead and stir this together to make sure that everything's nicely combined for about 3 to 5 minutes. And this will give me a finished product that has a really great consistency to it. So now that all the stirring has been done, I'm going to go ahead and take all of my ingredients and pour it into my bottle. Now, this particular bottle that I have here is a glass dropper bottle, and it's about 1 ounce. I'll try to see if I can find either the exact one that I'm using or something similar, and I'll link it down below this video. Now, this bottle is great for storing the serum because it will keep the sunlight from affecting all the different ingredients, especially the essential oils. Now, this formula makes approximately 1 ounce, which is perfect. And this is something that you could use daily if needed. Once I have poured every little drop of this serum into my bottle, I'm going to go ahead and cap it, and then here we have it. This is the finished face serum. This was such an easy formula to put together, and it left me with a wonderful smelling but yet very effective product. To my scar here, I'm going to go ahead and take 1 drop of the serum and apply it to it. Now, the reason I'm showing you me applying it to my scar and not my face is because this formula is very wonderful when it comes to reducing the appearance of scarring. I also want to give you a good look at the spreadability of this face serum. Now, this will absorb fairly quickly, and it leaves a nice feel on the skin, and it has a lovely scent as well. Here is another look at the same area that I applied the serum. It's just been a couple minutes later, and hopefully you can tell here that it has absorbed nicely into the skin. As I mentioned earlier, here are some substitutions that I would recommend. For the comfrey oil, you can use plantain oil instead. And what plantain oil will do is it will help to reduce any scarring. It will also help to encourage new skin cell growth. With the essential oils, you can use either lavender, myrrh, or rose. I find that those are good choices. In place of the tamanu oil, use argan oil. Argan oil will help to nourish the skin and reduce the appearance of scarring. When you are looking to replace the flaxseed oil, I would say hemp seed oil is a good choice, and that is because it will control or help to regulate oil production on the skin, and it's also great at moisturizing. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.